I'm getting complaints that the shower exhaust is no longer functioning in this bathroom. But if we look real close, we can see that it's actually super dirty. It's because my kids take spray tans in here. Alright, so you can take this cover off. Look at how clogged this thing is. So we're going to vacuum this out. Mine is so dirty, I'm actually going to scrub it down with soapy water. Look at that, a little kitchen scrub brush. That thing looks good as new. Alright, we'll pop this back in. Alright, we'll turn the power back on. And just like that, this exhaust fan is working like it's brand new. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.